What if the tractor ran out of gas?
Oh, we'd be having to walk a long ways, I think.
Yikes! Okay, I'll get some tea. Look at I'm petting the dog. You don't know that's here? Watch. I'm petting it. It's got. Oh, there's the eye. On the side.
Say horsey. No. Say horsey. What's a horsey say? Yay.
That picture. Smile. Oh, you're already smiling. Thank you.
That was so cool.
Emma, was that your first pony? Your first ride on anything? How did the horse feel when you were walking? Was it bumpy? It was bumpy like that?
This is a tractor. Loves cones. Dave can.
I know, the Dave.
Oh, did the flying kind?
Tasting the corn. I think this is a Starbucks.
Nope, this is all we're gonna go to the apples.
I can go. Mama, what if the tractor ran out of gas?
Oh, we'd be having to walk a long ways, I think.
Hey, what do you see? Look at this.
I see.
Good job.
Apple.
What are you guys having?
Buttered corn.
Waiting.
Mama, what do I put on it?
Whatever you want.
And it's corn.
What is it? Come here.
Corn on the top.
What you got all over your face? Hot sauce?
Yeah. This is the best apple of our time. Got the red ponies. Come on. One on a piece of string.
Hey, it's corn on the cob raw.
And with hot sauce.
Jojo, only Jojo.
Yeah.